What if I told you the cheapest woodworking tool on Amazon could actually outperform a tool that costs 10 times more? It sounds ridiculous. But after today's tests, I'm not so sure anymore. So I did something most woodworkers would never do. I bought the cheapest and most expensive woodworking tools I could find on Amazon. Not one category. Multiple categories. And today we're going to find out whether expensive tools are actually worth the money. Or if some of them are nothing more than expensive marketing. Some of these results shocked me. One cheap tool completely embarrassed its expensive competitor. And one premium tool turned out to be worth every single penny. Let's start with measuring tools. Because every woodworking project begins with accurate measurements. I ordered one of the cheapest measuring squares available. And one premium square that cost several times more. At first glance, the differences were obvious. The premium square felt heavier, more solid, more refined. The cheap version felt lightweight and slightly rough around the edges. But appearance doesn't build furniture. Accuracy does. So I tested both. Checking 90-degree corners. Marking layout lines. Comparing measurements across multiple boards. And honestly, the cheap square performed much better than I expected. Was it perfect? No, but for basic woodworking tasks, it got surprisingly close. The premium square was undeniably more accurate. But not by the massive margin I expected. And right away, I started wondering something. How much extra accuracy does the average woodworker actually need? That question stayed in my mind throughout the entire video. Next, I moved on to clamps. And this is where things became interesting. Because every woodworker knows how important clamps are. You can never have too many. The cheap clamp looked decent enough online. Thousands of positive reviews. Strong ratings. Lots of happy customers. But once I started using it, the problems appeared quickly. Flexing. Uneven pressure. Inconsistent clamping force. Nothing catastrophic. But definitely frustrating. Then I switched to the premium clamp. Immediately, the difference was obvious. The pressure felt smoother. The mechanism operated better. The overall experience was dramatically different. This was the first category where I completely understood why professionals spend more money. At this point, expensive tools were winning. But that changed very quickly. Because the next test involved a woodworking accessory that had thousands of 5-star reviews. And honestly, it might have been one of the most overrated products I've ever purchased. The cheap version wasn't amazing. But it worked. The expensive version promised premium performance. Professional results. Superior design. And a better woodworking experience. What actually happened was something completely different. After only a short period of testing, I noticed issues. Not small issues. Major issues. The kind of issues that make you question why the product exists at all. I genuinely thought I had received a defective unit. But after checking other reviews more carefully, I realized something. Many people were praising this product after only using it once. Not after months of real woodworking. Not after demanding projects. And that's when I started realizing how misleading online reviews can sometimes be. Because a product can feel amazing during the first 5 minutes. That doesn't mean it's a good tool. And what happened during the next comparison proved that perfectly. Because the cheapest tool in the entire video was about to embarrass a product that cost almost 10 times more.